Hey, I'm Sarah, and I was just sent this 100 pack of egg cartons. So these are great because there's a lot of them in the bulk, and when you have chickens, we've had chickens in the past, and when eggs come in, you got a lot of eggs. And I like having the smaller size because then you can actually just put these in for like a farmer's market or in a little grocery store or whatever you're doing. But these have a little lock right here in the front. So that way it keeps them all in place and they won't just open up with barely moving them. So I'll bring you in here so you can look at these. This is a nice size and they will fit small to medium sized eggs. So here's the carton up close. It's a nice clear plastic and it is a harder plastic, so it's not just going to cave in as soon as you push on it. And then it does have these little locks right here in the front that you can then close them up and then they are secured in there. And then the designs at the bottom. And then when you put in the egg, they just easily fit down in there. And they're kind of made for the bottom to go in like that. And then once you get all 6 eggs in there, then you can close them up and store them or sell them in whatever shop you're trying to use them for. But I like the clear design and they are sturdy.